Hello guys, so our next question is 0.05 Faraday charge is passed through a LED storage battery. In the anodic reaction, what is the amount of PbSO4 precipitated? Molar mass given of PbSO4 is 303 gram per mole. Okay, so in this question we have to find the amount of PbSO4 precipitated. So as we know that, let's in this question the anode to oxidation take place. Okay, and let's write the equation for this question. Pb plus SO4 to negative give PbSO4 and release 2 electron. So basically 2 electron. So in this question we will, as the 2 electron is releasing, so we get a 2 Faraday current and which is equal to 303 G per mole, 303 gram per mole as given in the question. So 303. So basically for 1 Faraday we can find out, for 1 Faraday it will be 303 by 2. Okay, and in the question the charge is given is 0.05 Faraday, and this is for 1 Faraday, so we can simply multiply this by 0.05, and after solving this we will be getting the value which is equal to 7.6 PbSO4, 7.6 gram of PbSO4. So this is our final answer, which is option number 3. Thank you.